This is Cinnamon desktop environment. It looks like Windows 10 or Windows 7. Here at the bottom right there are your favorite applications, while at the bottom left there is the network menu, battery, time, calendar and audio. Here in menu there is this part with quit, logout and lock screen, plus some favorite applications. There are many categories such as Office, LibreOffice, sound and video, administration to be on the more technical side, for example the firewall or the printer. Here you can change various things such as the themes, the screensaver, by clicking themes you can change for example the window borders or also the icons, the controls, mouse pointer and the desktop. If you like Windows 10 or 7 you will feel like home, because this version of this Cinnamon looks very like Windows. It is installed by default on Fedora Cinnamon Spin and Linux Mint.